Hi folks, welcome to TDR. This is a Matchbox Superfast MB9 Ford Escort Mark II RS2000. Launched by Ford in 1976, it was produced until 1980. This car had a 2-litre engine producing 110 brake horsepower with a top speed of 110 miles an hour. The 0 to 60 was a blister in 8.5 seconds. The most recognisable feature of the Mark II RS2000 was the droop snout, the way the front wings slope towards the bonnet down to the bumper. As you can see, this car is rough. It's been painted with Tip-X or snowpack correction fluid. There's a slight dent in the roof on the passenger side. The wheels look like they've been chewed by something. And the glass has a thick brown haze. Hopefully it will clean up okay though. Surprisingly, the tow hook is still intact. So here we go. We've got 3 roots in the base of this one. I'm using a 6mm drill at first just to take that edge off. Yeah, that looks okay. These two are slightly smaller, but I'll use the same size drill anyway. Drill, 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 drill. Yeah. Doesn't really take much. Try not to drill into the base. Okay, that looks okay. Now a slightly narrower drill just to take the middle out. Okay, oh that's going quite easy. Yeah, and this one, little poke with a screwdriver and it's off. There we go. Let's see what we've got. There. The axles are crimped onto the base with metal clips, or I hate them. Interior, it's pretty dirty. Oh look, a rubbish steering wheel. Last but not least, the glass. That looks like soil, that's okay. Alright, let's get these crimps off the axles. I need to get the Dremel onto those. And see how it is. Try not to go too mad, I'm trying to keep the axles mainly intact. Haven't quite took enough off of there. A bit of scraping with a screwdriver. Poke, poke. Oh dear. I'm struggling with that. Yay! That's that one off. Now this one, it's coming up. Oh, there we go. Never find that one again. Alright, I've been in the caustic soda. Oh, it comes out really easy. Nice. I wish I could do everything at 4 times the speed. It would be much quicker. Now I'm cleaning the interior. A bit of soapy water should get all this scum off. Yeah, that's quite nice. Lovely. Look at that. Yeah, nice and clean. And now I'm going to start priming this baby. Bit of Tamiya extra fine and white. Doesn't take much, does it? Please ignore the Lincoln Town Car on the left hand side of the box. That's it. Don't put too much on. That's lovely. Yeah, I'm done. Let's have a look at this close up. There's a couple of defects I've spotted. I might have to fix them, I don't know. A little hair in the paint there. There's the dent. I think I'll have to probably fill that little hole there. And on this side, there's a bit of a problem with the mould above the door there. Might have to scrape that line out a bit. Yeah, it's not very nice. Okay, yeah, dental pick. I'm going to fill that hole there. But now I'm just going to scrape this line out along the top of the door. Bit OCD, I think, but you know, gives you something to do. Oh, good start. That's better. Yeah. Getting there. Yeah. Came on quite well, surprisingly. Still on it. Yeah, that'll probably do. Bit of sandpaper. Perfect, look at that. Okay, my favourite black spray paint for the base. B&M Special. I'll probably get 100 cars out of that tin. Okay, now the base is done, I can start the colour. Nice little tack coat on first, and then I'll follow it up by 2 or 3 more coats of the orange. It's a really nice colour this, I love it. Perfect for this car. I should have mentioned that was Tamiya. Now to make that window shine, bit of metal polish, rub it till it squeaks, as Marky would say, and for an extra special finish I'm dipping this baby in the pledge. Just set it up there, a little bit of paper to stand it on after it comes out of the pledge. Come on, what are you doing? Oh, there we go. Yes, that's pledge. Okay. Dip, dip. Shaky, shaky, shaky. And onto the paper to soak the drips up. Cover it up for 24 hours at least, and that should dry off nicely. Right, I'm putting green light wheels on this, so I'm going to Dremel these bases out so I can put a tube in there. Not bad. Yep, good, good, good. Now this one. I think the grinding stone's getting a bit blunt, it's getting harder to tear that out. Oh, there we go, we're finished. And here's the tube. There we go, see if it fits. Yeah, there we go, and it fits nicely. I'll just glue these in with a bit of super glue and baking powder. Okay, now that nice black trim line you see on these Escorts. I'm using the stick-on stuff instead of a decal. See how it goes. And then I'll coat over with a bit of clear to keep it on. This stuff goes on really nicely. I quite like it. Much easier than decal, pushing it about on the water. It's almost like the real thing. Nice. Okay, it's a bit long, I'll just trim that end off. Looking good. Should really get some smaller scissors to do this bit. And there we go, it's off. Now the other side, I think. Lovely. Very nice. Oh, here we go. Okay. This stuff goes on nice and straight, doesn't it? As you can see, I've got a big roll of stuff there. You'll probably see it in future projects. Yeah, goes on nicely, sticks down lovely. And a bit to trim off that end, and it's done. Beautiful. Look at that. Spoiler alert, spoiler alert, spoiler alert. Yes, I'm painting the spoiler. Here we go. I hate this bit. My hand's shaky like a shaky thing in a shaky place. I'll try my best anyway. Here we go. Up, down. Oh, what was that? There we go. Block there. So the ends are done. I'm pretty sure this is not the easiest way to do it, but never mind. I'm always wary about putting masking tape on the time you paint. It tends to pull it straight off for some reason. But there you go. Not exactly Bob Ross, is it? Got quiet for this bit. Come on, you can do it. It's a nice straight line there. Lovely. Now the back edge. Excuse the sausagey fingers if they get in the way. I will learn how to center the picture in the camera one day. Ah, there you go. It's final assembly. That's the wheels and axles on. As you can see, I've glued them down. Not too bad. Nice fit. Nice and strong. It's the interior all painted black and nice. A couple of useless details on the dashboard there. Make the steering wheel look a bit more interesting. Oh, and shiny, shiny glass. Look at that. Lovely. Got some sort of strange shape to it. It's weird. Don't know what's happened to that. Okay. That's the body. Nice. Glass goes straight in like that. Interior's next. That just sits on top of there. Nice. And then the base. Obviously I've drilled and threaded the posts out for the little bolts. There we go. Not long now. As you can see, I've put a nice soft cloth on the table this time round. Somebody commented on me not using a cloth the last time, and I did scratch the top of the car. So yeah, it is wise to put a cloth on the table like that. Last one going in now. Lovely jubbly. Ready for the final reveal. Oh, nice base. Look at that. Lovely. And here we go. That's how it was. As you can see, the glass wasn't brilliantly fitting there. All painted in that white horrible stuff. Matchbox wheels. And then obviously the final product comes up very soon. There we go. Ah, look at that. Shiny, shiny. Very nice finish. As you can see, the glass is a really terrible fit. Like it's been heated up and shrunk somehow. I don't know what's going on with that. As you can see, I've painted a lot of detail on this one. Got the lights, the bumpers, and the number plate. And you can see a little bit of the dashboard there. I think the green light wheels look great on this one, even though they're not the 4-spoke originals. Next up will be the July collaboration with all the other YouTube guys. It's 50s cars. I'm doing a 53 Chevy Custom, but it's a huge challenge. I'm doing something I've never tried before. I'm struggling with it at the minute, but I may still put up the video even if it's an epic fail. Let me know what you think. So that's pretty much it for this one. Remember to hit those subscribe, like, dislike buttons, and the notification button. The YouTube algorithm loves that sort of stuff. Anyhow, thank you for watching and I'll see you the next time.